This is definitely not opening. Oh no! Oh no! Ah! All right, everybody, this is so random. We went to Latte Road this morning. We decided to go to Seoul Land tonight. They have 2 major roller coasters here. They only operate one day and then the other day. They flip-flop them. So we had to come tonight to get on Black Hole 2000. This is the park's most famous coaster. I've heard it's absolute dog crap. But I think that'll make for funny content. A lot of friends who have ridden this and told us that it is one of the most atrocious, abominable, disgusting rides ever created in this community. We have to try it and just see what it's all about. Black Hole 2000 opened in 1990. It's over 3,000 feet of track, 2 ridiculous inversions. It's a double corkscrew, so 2 corkscrews back to back. Generically, that's not a very unique element. The one here is supposed to ride like crap. So much so that it's supposed to be extremely painful and one of the worst things ever. We are at Seoul Land in South Korea. We are on what is widely considered by many of our friends to be one of the most atrocious coasters ever created. We wanted to do it so bad. We had to, so we came out here to ride this thing. Oh my gosh. This could be bad. Seriously, wish us luck. Wish us luck, indeed. Oh, it's rough. Oh, it's definitely rough. What a piece of junk! What a piece of junk! So rough! I can see the change in profiling. It's not good. Ow! Oh my gosh! That was abysmal! Abysmal! Oh! Ow! Ow! Okay! Oh! A true hunk of junk. Maybe the hunk of junk. That was atrocious. I loved it. And for all the right reasons. We're going in the back row! I want to know what it's like. Dude, I think doing this in the back row is going to be absolutely abysmal. Yeah. I wish I didn't see what I just saw. The wheel assembly about 3 cars up was loose. It was like shaking off the rail. Now I'm like actually kind of nervous for this ride. I did not want to hear that before this ride. What scares me is we just saw the other train. Only half exists. It's just a chassis. It's like stupid. Here we go. Josiah and I are on Black Hole 2000 in the back row. Wish us luck. Why is that wheel assembly wiggling? Oh my god, I see it now. Yeah, they're so loose. Oh no! Oh no! Oh! 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 Oh no! Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Not the corkscrew! I'm so glad it lived up to expectations. Not the good kind. And just when you thought the front was bad, then you did the back row. What the heck? Wow, I loved it. It's that bad, which is awesome. Next, we're headed to the mouse here. Mark, do you know anything about this mouse? I have no idea. I just found one thing out about the mouse that I find very interesting. Okay. We don't know who manufactured it at all. It looked like a Meisho to me. What's weird about this though, the cars look like the cars on a regular looping train, but just one car each. It's really weird. An aero train. It says, yeah, exactly. It says on the database as well. Yeah, it does. It's funny. It freaking closed. The park doesn't close for 2 hours, but something about the Asia parks is they close lines so freaking early. I don't know what the deal is with that. It's really aggravating. Like I said, Mark and I will be here tomorrow morning for a full experience anyway, so whatever. In the meantime, there's a kiddie section over here that has some other credits. There's 5 total at this park, so we'll go check it out. Like I said, the park closes in 2 hours at 9 p.m. A lot of these parks close around 9. We found an open coaster. This is Tobot Train, Zamperla Twin Helix. I've done a billion of these, I swear. It's a credit nonetheless. Oh, this view is awful. Why is the car so massive? This thing looks like it's rotting. Oh! 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 Most intense ride ever! Bro, what are we doing in Korea riding roller coasters? On a kiddie coaster, matter of fact. Even better, bro.
We almost caused a rollback.
Oh, they're so cute. They all just said something. I don't know what they said. Oh. There it is.
I thought we were gonna have to endure a third lap.
No, we're good. We're good. We're good. Love it. What was that called? I don't know. Robot train? Something like that? Tobot Train. Actually wasn't all that bad for a Zamperla family coaster. Anyways, we're gonna go try and find, what in the hell is that?
It's themed to Larva, that really weird Netflix show where the two slugs barf on each other all episode. It's great.
What?
I highly recommend. Highly recommend.
Anyways, yeah, we're gonna go find this other coaster. It's actually built by Interpark. It's called Tikitoc Train or something. I've never done an Interpark coaster. This one's not a great one to begin with, but they did build the weird Wild Winds that have those super gnarly inversions. It might not be open. If it's not, we'll do it tomorrow, but we're gonna go check on it anyways. As if it didn't get any weirder. What is that? Literally, what is that, bro? What is that? Ew. I'm not trying to rip on this park. It's actually been pretty cool so far, but the ride lineup is just hilarious.
We're in Christmas land for some reason, but look, we found
Tikitoc Train.
For some reason, foreign parks, Europe, Asia, all these places I've been, they're obsessed with American holidays. Maybe I'm just uncultured and like maybe everyone celebrates a lot of these things.
I think the primary religion in South Korea is Christianity, so I guess that would actually make a lot of sense. Regardless, there's a Christmas land here, and Tikitoc Train is open, so let's do this before they close the queue, because at this point, I don't know when this country likes to close their queues. I'm just trying to ride. Here we go. My first Interpark coaster, which is actually really cool, because I'm a bizarre fan of them. Pretty themed wacky worm, no lies. Really? Why not? The reverse POV. Oh my gosh, the log flume has a double down. We're doing that after. Whoa! Hey! Oh! Oh! Yes! Nice. Mid-ride on that Tikitoc Train, Mark, what'd you discover?
There's a really cool log flume with a double down, and it looks awesome.
Yeah, it's called Flume Ride.
It does look fun. It still says it's open, so we'll go do it.
Night ride on a log flume in South Korea. This is what we live life for, man. Look at this theming. This is cool.
Cool, like all the atmosphere around here.
This actually is a really cool layout through the woods. I love it. The whole flume is aggressively shaking side to side.
Hey, Jungle Cruise, backside of water.
Look at that waterfall. That's pretty sick.
Yeah.
This is maybe the first log flume I've done that I would call rough.
We're bouncing off the bottom. This ride's also probably built for children, and there are 3 adults in this raft, so...
I'm scared for the drop now.
Yeah, we might...
It definitely does feel like we're about to sink the log. That's actually cool theming. Feels like we might sink this log though. Let's go up the left hill and brave one of the craziest drops that I've personally seen for a log flume. It's an insane double dip. Also keep in mind there is no restraint. Now most log flumes don't have it because they don't need it. This one I feel like might need it. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh! 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 I flew! I flew! Oh my! 8 inches off the seat. I flew! Oh! I flew! That is one of the best drops of any log flume I've done.
That was terrifying.
You go in with so much speed. Oh my god! No restraint is absurd.
Right here, we were just getting absolutely glorified with airtime.
That was hilarious. I don't think any of us expected that little flume to like be that ridiculous. No. Alex and I were in the back taking all the way to this thing, and we just launched. Like, lucky we didn't pull out.
No. I got airtime and I launched to the front of the log.
It was wild. I would highly recommend that for anybody that ever comes to this freaking park. That was so rad. What rad?
It is apparently Halloween and Christmas land. I have no idea what's going on. Here, hi. What in the world? You tap me up? Let's go. Yeah, let's go. We are gonna walk through the romantic garden because Mark and I are secretly. What? Homie, what? I'm playing. Sometimes gardens at these parks, especially in Europe, actually have some cool stuff. So it's always worth it at theme parks to just see what they have. I think this made it worth it because I find it creepy and unsettling.
We just finished off on a last 2 rides on the Black Hole 2000. Based on our night here, the night atmosphere is pretty fun. There's not a lot of people, so it's actually kind of chill. And the operators had fun just hanging out, talking to us. We'll be back tomorrow morning to ride Atomic double loop, Colombian double loop. No one really knows what the actual name is. Everybody here keeps calling it different things, so.
Day 2 at Seoul Land, because again, they flip-flop their 2 major coasters.
This park refers to the coaster as 3 different things: Columbia double loop, Atomic double loop, and AAA double loop.
We're trying to find it right now. This thing has 2 loops. They're probably the most intense back-to-back loops in the world, which is why we came all the way back out here to do it. We just had to. You see it going?
I thought I did, yeah.
Cool. Double loop coaster is closed. This does freaking blow. You can see the sign. This translates to please use the Black Hole 2000 roller coaster. So they kept that one open another day and this is closed. That was not there yesterday and we were here last night. So we don't know why the train is parked short into the station. I'm gonna assume that means maintenance. Maybe they tried this morning and it failed.
I am confused. Maybe it opens late.
There's one train in maintenance, then you can see the other one is just, oh my gosh, this is definitely not opening. Definitely not.
Oh my god.
The entire wheel assembly is sitting on the floor. As a matter of fact, that is most definitely 100% not operational. And that was not like that yesterday, so I'm wondering if this thing literally had a problem this morning. Man, that's a bummer, dude. What we're gonna do instead, though, is Mark and I are gonna get this very bizarre mouse that I briefly introduced yesterday, which is open today. What's interesting about this mouse, I'm actually gonna quote the database right here. This is an unusual wild mouse. It uses tubular steel track that resembles the traditional Aero/Vekoma style. The cars resemble a single car of an Aero train with over-the-shoulder restraints. It looks like a legit coaster that you might even expect an inversion on, but it's just a mouse. Also, we don't know who built it. We have a very bizarre wild mouse here. This has the track style of a traditional looping coaster, but it's a wild mouse. This is the weirdest thing ever. And it's probably pretty rough.
Oh, well, no, it's pretty smooth actually, I think. It's alright. Might be okay. Whoa! I don't mind this at all. It's pretty tame though.
It is pretty tame, but it's kind of cool.
Whoa, what the heck? Oh, no trims, yep, through the brake run. Whoa! This is a weird one. Very good. Helix. Whoa, picking up some steam. Oh no. Oh, oh, there it is. Oh, okay.
That mouse was really strange, but I actually liked it. However, I don't think that style would ever catch on. It would just be a lot more expensive to manufacture that much track for a wild mouse coaster, which hence the reason I don't think any of these things exist anywhere else as far as I know. But I did enjoy it actually. It was totally fine. Mark just said this for his vlog too, but just so we don't feel like this day was a total waste, we're gonna try this Alice Wonderhouse thing. It looked kind of cool. We saw it last night. I think it's worth a look. Oh, what? Oh, okay. This. Oh my gosh, the room moves. Look at this tiny room. Into the keyhole. All right. Very much Alice in Wonderland inspired. Whoa. What in the world? Cast only. Look at this little door. That is really. Ooh, I'm getting dizzy. I'm getting dizzy, bro. Whoa. Oh, first try. Let's go. It says doorway maze. Oh, interesting. I'm feeling green.
We found something called the doorway maze. This is kind of insane.
Yeah, red.
There we go. Will one of these be the entrance to the coaster? One of these might have a ride mechanic who we can talk to.
Well, that was strange. Still kind of cool.
I don't even know what just happened. That was so weird.
This is where I'm gonna end the Seoul Land vlog. Currently had an hour here this morning. Good news is they're gonna issue us refunds because they feel bad the ride was closed, so I do appreciate that. I didn't expect this morning, but it's all good, how it goes. As for Seoul Land as a whole, I like this park. Kind of cute, and the first amusement park we did on this trip. Everything else I felt like was a theme park. This was really amusement based, I felt like.
In Korea, yeah, they don't believe in theme parks, so this is pretty weird.
Just a weird switch up. I enjoyed Seoul Land. I think Mark did too for the novelty of it. And we're back to Japan tonight, so we will see you all at the next park in Japan. Let's go.